In this video, I will be showing you how to make ChatGPT think like you. Let's get started. First, I click on the search bar that says, Ask Anything, and type in my initial instructions to set up a practical, straight-to-the-point persona that prefers simple explanations and real-life examples over uncomplicating answers. Once I finish typing, I click the Send Prompt button on the right side. The system updates its memory with these rules, listing out that it will keep answers practical, direct, simple to understand, and focused on real-life examples while ignoring unnecessary complexity. Next, I click back into the search bar at the bottom to build on this profile. This time, I add instructions about my decision-making process, telling it that I prefer to compare pros and cons quickly, prioritize time and money savings, and choose the simplest effective option. I hit the Send button again, and ChatGPT confirms the update. It generates a summary showing exactly how it will adapt its recommendations to match this approach, even providing a template format it will use for analyzing options labeled Option A and Option B, followed by a final recommended choice. To fine-tune how it speaks to me, I click the search bar once more. Now, I explicitly type out that I wanted to reply in a casual Taglish style, keeping things short, direct, and natural while avoiding deep words or a formal tone. I click the Send button to submit the preference. The model saves this rule in its memory and responds in the exact style requested, confirming that from now on, it will use casual Taglish, stay short and direct, use simple words, and avoid formal phrasing to keep our conversations realistic and practical. After checking the style update, I click back into the text box to provide a final behavioral guideline. I paste a short block describing my typical thinking pattern, explaining that if something takes too long, I look for a shortcut. If it is complicated, I break it into simple steps, and if it doesn't save time or money, I ignore it. I click Send, and ChatGPT acknowledges the pattern by breaking it down into an easy-to-follow filter for all future answers. Finally, I click into the search field one last time to lock everything in. I type an instruction telling it to always follow this specific thinking style as its default way of answering me unless I explicitly say the words, Reset Thinking Mode. I click the Send button, and ChatGPT delivers its final response in casual Taglish, confirming that the default settings are officially locked into its memory. It prints out a checklist of all the rules we configured, ensuring it will maintain this exact personalized mindset for all of our upcoming chats. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.